plug it in the outlet. As you can see, that's the fault. It should come on and come off. So this is the new inverter panel I'm using to power the LCD light. This is the LCD light outlet. So this is the new inverter I'm using to power the LCD light. This is the negative, this is the positive side, and this is the negative side. So, and this is the adjustments, and this is the LCD adjustments being connected, and this is how to be powered. So let's test it. As you can see now, it's working perfectly now. As you can see it now, it's perfect. Thank you for watching.